Violins. Today we're going to practice Shake It on page 12. There's only two notes in Shake It, your A and your D strings, which you need to remember are your two middle strings. Okay? The reason we're practicing this and going a bit backwards in the book is because next week we're going to learn to add our fingers on. So I want to make sure you're doing really well at your crossing your strings without scratching different strings. So remember, it's like a teeter-totter, or a seesaw. It's like a seesaw. You want your string to be the middle of the seesaw. You need to balance your bow. You can go back and forth and back and forth. And if you're balanced just right, then when you pull, you'll only hit one string. And it's really important, like we did in the other exercise, to be able to do a big, slow, long one without touching any other strings. You need to try that again and again really slowly. If you can't do that first. Do our string exercise with the long bows that I uploaded in our first online orchestra lesson. You can go back and find that video. I would rather have you do that 20 times and not play this song. If you can perfectly do that, you are winning. Okay, so it's about balancing and getting a clean sound. Same when we go back up. Okay, when we switch strings, all we do is change the balance of the seesaw so that all I've done is move the seesaw over so that I'm balanced on a different one. And seesaw back. Oh, if you heard that extra sound, that means I didn't balance the seesaw properly because I hit another string. So in Shake It, our first three notes are A, sh, D, and then we have D, 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 sh. So that means you have a one beat rest to change your seesaw. So you should have A, sh. So in that sh, I tilt. Then I've got D, 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 sh, back to A, rest, tilt, D, D, D. Well done. Your second line is exactly the same. So really, all you're doing is practicing doing this really, really slowly at first. Rest, D, D, rest, A, rest, D, D. I want you to do it really slow first, way slower than the music, because all we need to do is be really good at crossing strings. This song really is just that pattern again and again, but the important things are counting and balancing your seesaw. Have a go.